Good morning, students. In lesson 1, chemistry, chemical calculation part 4, molar mass. What is molar mass? Last class we have seen mole, the mole concept. So it is equal to, the 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number 6.023 into about 23, isn't it? So it is given by Avogadro. By using this mole as well as molar mass defined as the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Mass of 1 mole of a substance, the molar mass of the compound is equal to sum of the relative atomic masses of its constituents, which is expressed in gram per mole. Molar mass expressed in gram per mole. And example, we can say relative atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is equal to 1.008 U. Suppose if I saying this, it is molar mass of hydrogen. This is relative atomic mass. So U. Molar mass of hydrogen atom, we can say 1.008 gram per mole. That is unit of molar mass. Not only for this, suppose relative molecular mass of glucose. Relative molecular mass. Molecular means glucose is a molecular mass of glucose. Glucose is equal to mass of glucose U. Molar mass, if I writing molar mass of glucose. Molar mass of glucose is equal to 180. The unit should be right gram per mole. Relative molecular mass means U unit want to write, and molar mass is gram per mole unit to write. This is known as molar mass. And molar volume. What is meant by molar volume? I think you know that molar mass differ from molar volume, isn't it? So the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance in the gaseous state at a given temperature and pressure is called molar volume. So molar volume has to have some conditions. Some conditions means, so suppose volume occupied by 1 mole. Suppose if you are drinking water, so the water is simply water can. This is if you are taking water can, isn't it? So simply water can is molar mass. Suppose filled with the water, it is molar volume. Weighing some weight, no, it is molar volume. So volume occupied by 1 mole of any gaseous substance in liters. If I taking one tiffin box, that is molar mass. If I put inside that, some weight will be there, some mass will be there, that is what volume. So molar volume will be different from molar mass, don't confuse. So volume occupied by 1 mole of any gaseous substance in liter. If you are taking LPG gas, LPG gas, the cylinder, it is a molar mass. The cylinder will be filled with some gas particle inside, isn't it? LPG gas. That is what molar volume. And if you are seeing in that side, in cylinder also, some word will be written there, the kg value. So you have to see this also. So volume occupied by 1 mole of any gaseous substance in liter value. It has some conditions. 273 Kelvin as well as 1 bar pressure will be equal to, in liter value you are going to convert, so 22.71 because of 1 bar pressure. The 1 bar pressure will be equal to, 1 bar will be equal to Pascal value, as well as the 273 Kelvin and 1 bar will be equal to 0.98 Kelvin. So once again, 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, that is STP value, will be equal to 22.4. As well as 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, room temperature as well as pressure, that is SATP value, will be equal to 24.5. In these three conditions, the volume will be converted into liters value. This is known as molar volume. And next we are going to see gram equivalent mass. Next topic is gram equivalent mass. Gram equivalent mass is defined as mass of an element or compound that combines or displaces 1.008 grams of hydrogen or 8 grams of oxygen or 35.5 grams of chlorine. That is what gram equivalent mass. What's the meaning of this? 1.008 grams, this is a mass number, this is a mass of hydrogen. 8 grams of oxygen. Here this is 35.5 grams of chlorine. These two are mass number. Is it right? So gram equivalent mass is defined as the mass of an element combined or displaces. It can added or displaces with these elements will be equal to gram equivalent mass. So why we taking this such much 1.008 grams of hydrogen, or why we are taking this? See here 35.5 grams of chlorine. So these two are mass number. We have some confusions. For hydrogen we are taking mass number. Chlorine also we are taking mass number. Why we are taking oxygen as alone atomic number? See here the equivalent mass formula is equivalent mass formula is what actually? Mass by valency. Mass by valency. Suppose 1.008 grams of hydrogen if I taking mass 1, again 1.008 and valency also 1. So what will be the answer? Will come mass number 1.008 as it is. Yes or no? At the same time, see here for hydrogen, right? Hydrogen, the mass number 1.00, the equivalent mass formula is equal to mass by valency. You should understand this, mass by valency. So mass of hydrogen 1.008. Valency is what actually? And the outermost electron surrounded in the outermost orbit. That is what? Valency. So the valency also 1. So automatically we may get 008. Suppose if I taking chlorine, mass number 35.5. Again, it is also valency is 1. So once again 35.5 we can get. If we taking oxygen, mass number 16. But we have to write 2 minus. Here 1 minus. Right? 1 minus 1. This is 2 minus. So if I taking 2, if I cut this, automatically 8 grams will come once again. Is it right? That is why we are taking 8 here. Understand this? So 1.008 grams of hydrogen as well as 8 grams of oxygen or 35.5 grams of chlorine. For example, zinc will be added H2SO4. So we may get zinc sulfate. Zinc combined with the sulfate. So here displacement taking place. The sulfuric acid, it is releases sulfate compound, zinc sulfate, and releases H2. So 1 mole of zinc, molecular mass is what? 6538 grams, displaces 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule is what? Hydrogen H2. H2 value is 2.06. So mass of zinc required to displace 1.008 for hydrogen is 6538. 6538, what is it? It is zinc value. Mass of 1 mole of zinc. Again 2 points H2 value into, here H2, this is hydrogen 1.008, and finally we may get 6538 by 2, so 3269. So equivalent mass of zinc is 3269. For equivalent mass there has no unit, but if I writing gram equivalent mass 32.69 gram per mole won't write, the unit won't write. If I writing gram per mole won't write. Equivalent mass for no unit here. And the formula for gram equivalent mass, molar mass gram per mole divided by equivalent factor, that is equivalent per mole, that is formula for gram equivalent mass. Once again I repeat this, gram equivalent mass is what? Gram equivalent mass is defined as mass of an element combined or ion that combines, displaces 1.008 grams of hydrogen and 8 grams of oxygen or 35.5 grams of chlorine, right? Equivalent mass formula is what? Mass by valency. So if you are dividing this hydrogen mass number divided by valency 1, so 1.008 grams. Chlorine minus 1, so 35.5 by 1, once again 35.1. Oxygen 2 minus, so 16 by 2 if you are taking, 8 will come. So it is added or displaces. So zinc plus H2SO4, zinc sulfate plus H2 is formed. So zinc required 65.38 grams of mole. Displaces, the zinc displaces 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen, how much? 2.01. So if you are taking the formula 65 divided by 38, 2.6 into, so we may get the answer 32.69. It is equivalent mass. If writing gram equivalent mass, it is 32.69 gram per mole. Thank you students. We will see next class.